Hello everyone, how are you? In today's video, we will see how we can do installation and configuration of SonarQube. We will do this on our Ubuntu server, which is EC2 server hosted on AWS, and it's 22.04 Ubuntu. We will do via commands. So let's see how it will work. Before going to start the video, I would like to give little introduction of my channel. We make video regarding DevOps, and there are multiple videos and playlists in our channel. Like here you can see SonarQube installation via Helm and multiple Helm deployment. Vasu is there. Kubernetes tutorials are there. You can browse here and look for the DevOps content. Let's come back to our topic. So it's just it's mainly based on the commands. So I have make the commands stored at tap on target GitHub account. So you can also follow commands from here. So what is this doc saying? How we can do installation configuration on SonarQube on his AWS server Ubuntu 22 and 20.04. It's applicable to Azure and GCP also, but I didn't check, so I'm only written like that. I do EC2. Then OS specification, CPU, and whatever your requirement is, you can go up to that. Then we have security ports to which we should open. Port 80 and 443 are not directly in required. Here we required first of all 22 for SSH, then custom port of SonarQube 9000. Here one more thing, like here is the port 80. When we use the reverse proxy to add the DNS and other things, and 443 in case we are making it SSL encrypted. So in that case we will require that. Otherwise these two are more than enough for internal use. Then let's jump into your server. We have already done that. Then you can just update your system. It's my fresh machine, so let's paste the command sudo ip update. For first time it might take some time, not more than 1 minute. It's just the repository, it will just update that. If I come back, then we require OpenJDK 17. Let me copy this command will install the OpenJDK on my local machine of version 17. Here we have given the specific version, and after that the next command is for the validation. Let's come in the same line. Make it right back. So will take some time to get the Java to be installed on our machines. I got most of the comment, like share the commands. YouTube not allow directly to share over there in the description or in the comment. So I will make all the details if they are not very private or some critical things like threats. I will share all the things here, big things here. So here we have checked, we are ready with the version 7. So one dependency of SonarQube is done, and in the behind the scene SonarQube do some analysis and save its reports, and to save the report it requires some DB, so we use the Postgres with it. Let's execute the first command. It will add the PostgreSQL repository on our machine. Okay, it's done. Then it will add the Postgres repository key to the package manager. Here in our case is the Ubuntu. Okay, Then we have Postgres contrib. Take a look over here. It's starting the downloading the Postgres, and till the time it's making. Okay, now we have done. We check back. 1 second. Okay, we're done with that. Copy the first command. It will enable the Postgres. So whenever our laptop is going to shut down, like most of organizations shut down SonarQube in the night time, because they only do the CI/CD process at daytime only. So then we can shut down. So while we do shutdown, when the VM came up, the Postgres will automatically came up if we run this command. Then we have next command. We have made it enable, but for to use it now we have to start it. Then we have to look for status. Okay, it's saying active exit. Finish. Okay, let me check here. PSQL version. Okay, PSQL version is there. We are good with the installation part of the DB. Let's start with the configuration part with DB. Let's go to the configuration part. Here we first move to the Postgres user. Let's clear it and start. Currently we are in Ubuntu user. We have moved to the Postgres user, and here we need a other user for our database. Paste it, create pt sonar here, and now we can move to the PSQL shell or PSQL terminal. Now here you can see it's the PSQL terminal. Here we first require this dd sonar user which we have created, and we need to alter it with encrypted password. We have done alter user with encrypted password this, and it's giving us the feedback or follow up. This role is altered. Then create database SonarQube, dd SonarQube with owner dd Sonar, and let us execute this. We require a database where we can save the database SonarQube reports and other things. Now database is created. First we give the privileges to grant. Okay, done. Let's check the database. Okay, here dd SonarQube is created with who is the owner. dd Sonar is the owner. FTP8. Okay, everything is fine. Let's check the database user also. What it's saying. One user is dd Sonar, other user is Postgres. Here list of roles which are attached to super user, create role, create DB, application, bypass, RLS, all are to Postgres. If we can quit from here, it's not getting. Okay, now we can exit from this Postgres user, come back to Ubuntu user. Then database part is done. now we have the SonarQube part. First we install the zip. It's kind of, you can say, dependency for our work which we will execute, not direct dependency of SonarQube, but we are downloads some zip packages for the SonarQube, so we require this to unzip that, nothing more than that. Now we are installing the package for 10.00 version of SonarQube. Let's unzip it. Before doing unzip, let's see what is download. You can see we have a package which is in the zip form. We will unzip it. Unzip will take some time. It will extract all the files which we have. Now we have this. Now we have some SonarQube and hyphen some number of this particular version. We will make it change to this, and then we can move this SonarQube to /opt. Okay, done. Then SonarQube binary we are using for this SonarQube installation. We have done that. SonarQube binary is at its place. Then we require some that SonarQube user. First we create the group with the ddsonar. Group can be made with any name, but for symmetry, like we have user ddsonar, so same I'm creating the user. Here user we are creating, I'm giving is the home directory /opt SonarQube and group ddsonar, and in the last I'm mentioning the username ddsonar. Then as /opt is the root directory, I'm giving the ownership to SonarQube, and all the files under the SonarQube will get under the ddsonar, as we are passing the -r flag there, and some, we can say, extra configuration, like this is not the we can say it is just a community version which we are doing, not developer version. Its developer version is paid, and it is used by default feature come to run or execution on all the branches, but in this our developer we can say developer particular our in our this community version we don't have that all branch. We can just execute or scan the main branch only, but by using this community plugin we can do the installation. First what we have to do, we have to go to this directory, and then we have to download the plugin, and this plugin 1.15.0 is compatible with the 10.00 version. If you are using the other version, you go to this community branch plugin GitHub official repo. Here you will find the exact match of your version. I will share that link in I have already shared. One second, in the last I have shared this this one link, so come back. So this step you can do if you want to scan other branches other than main branch. Like here we will go to sudo vi opt SonarQube, configure sonar properties. We have to change some things. One second. And once you download this plugin, these two lines need to add below this line in the same file. I forgot to written over here, right over here. So you can take care of that. Now we have to we have to look for this JDBC password, username and password. one arrow is not working. One second. So instead of uncommenting it, we can go with the installation of new. Like here, from here we can pick where we was that. First is the JDBC username. Okay. Then we have the password, Sonar JDBC password. You can change the password as per your wish. Whatever the password you want, just put over here. Then Sonar JDBC URL, same paste we will paste over here. And here DD SonarQube is the database we have created in the earlier half of the video. And we are ready, I think. Is there anything more? This is different file. In this file, we have done with the changes. And look for something. Here we have to change this something in this file. App name is SonarQube. Okay. And we have to add here is the run as DD Sonar. Go in insertion mode. Just save it. Okay, let's save it. Okay, it's fine. We have done. Now we need this service. Let's copy the file. Earlier it was not coming as expected. Here user and group, we have to make sure we enter the correct what we created. There is no necessary like I'm giving the DD Sonar and user DD Sonar. You can give your own user and passwords. Okay, I think we are done with the services. Now we can enable Sonar. Then status is coming good. So SonarQube part, I think we are already done. Also done. There are some requirement which we should do in the earlier, but here we can also do like here we are using this like SonarQube in the backend use Elasticsearch to map the indices. For that some we need to some parameter to be changed at kernel level, and this parameter we require to mention at kernel level. Just copy it here, save, and once done we can reboot the server and wait for it to comes again. Till now we can copy it. Taking reboot, not ready till now. If you make request here, it's also wait for it. Look like it's work. IP is there and public IP is also there. It's changed, I think. 156.199. It's same, not change. Let's check this service status. we have done reboot the server system. See it here. Spell mistake is here. Status is Postgres. Okay, it's working fine. The second component we have done with the Sonar. Okay, it's also work fine. Let's check here. Okay, one mistake for my I have not added the port over here. Custom port for SonarQube is the 9000. Okay, SonarQube is starting. When it's take reboot, it's take some time to get started. Okay. First time password is admin. It will ask you to change the password. Old password is admin. New password is something new. Update. Wait, okay, password is getting changed. Might be entered first time the wrong time. Now we are ready with the SonarQube setup part. Here, like in the Azure DevOps, we can go and enter the name, DevOps URL and pad token, and same service connection we need to add it over there. We can say at Sonar at Azure DevOps level, then the rest of setting, like project setting, you will see that in another video. So hope if you like the installation video, and hit like, and we will look for other video in some other day. Thank you for watching. If any doubt, please comment.